Alright, this is what we're fucking drinking tonight. Right there, that 360 double chocolate shit, yo. Alright? That's what it is, homie. Holla. And then we got the Wiser's Deluxe shit, you know what I mean? Yeah, bro. Holla. We gonna get fucked up. Nigga.
Nigga. Hey, come here. I don't want you to spill shit. Come here.
Oh, it's stained right here. Okay, bring me your cup. Wait. I'm going to have to stay here. Hey, look at this bitch. What's this? Wiser's. Hey, get some cups. Where's the Wiser's? Wiser's in this bitch. Wiser's in this bitch. It is Friday night. Getting wasted. You know how it is, homie.
Ow, ow, ow. That was so funny. She screamed. She's like, ah. What?
Bang, 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 bang.
Well, this might taste like
Hustle, hustle,
holy fuck. Johnny.
Listen what the fuck he says at the end of the
You're struggling
It's not this track.
so hard. You're random people, and then you're fucking rough and shit. But I'm tired of being drunk tonight.
It is this one. Not this one, no. It's another one. Let me get it for that. Wipe my ass? Yeah, no, it's another one.
Johnny, come say that. John, what do you want in it?
Just give me a bring a bottle of pop. Coke. You drink it? Yeah, but I'm gonna have a shot too. This one. This
Who wants shots? Who wants mixers?
I want a shot. I want a shot. I want a shot. Okay?
Do you want
After a long time, I haven't drinking for a minute.
Straight shot. Okay, shot, Christian.
Shot.
Last one.
Somebody's getting shot. That's what shot drinking.
No.